Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Museo Reina Sofia tickets online. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets online right now using the first link right here down in the description of the video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here. From this page, we can get started taking a look at the tickets. You can click the check availability option. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we have for the tickets. So let's say I want to purchase tickets for Monday the 10th right here. I'm going to select the date and then we can select what kind of ticket we want. Once you have selected your ticket, you can go ahead and make sure if you want to go ahead and get an audio tour as well, you can add that ticket as well and click next. You go to the experience page where you can see similar experiences you can save money on. If you're not interested, just go to the next one by clicking the next button, and once you go to the next page, we are going to go ahead and have this personal details page where you can go ahead and fill out your first name, last name, phone number, and so on. So once you've done so, you can go ahead and click next. You go to the payment page and it's going to open up this new menu where we can go ahead and take a look at all the payment methods we have, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Select which one suits you the most. Let's say debit and credit card, and from here we can get started filling out our info. Once you fill out your info, you can click the pay button. That's going to enable you to purchase the tickets, and once you purchase the tickets successfully, they're going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account right here on this platform. So go right now into the description of this video, find the first link and open it up. It's going to take you to this page where you can get started following the steps from this video that I have just showed you and get your tickets. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.